Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character fen or fen, step by step. I will write in regular script, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. Fen, polyphone. It pronounced as fen or fen according to different context. As fen, it means to divide. Or minute. As fen means part, share. For example, 分享 to share. 部分 part. Now check this sentence. Do share my videos, please.请分享我的视频。请分享我的视频。请 please 分享我的 my 视频 video。My casual handwriting on fen like this. Fen. Fen to divide, minute. Fen, part, share. 分享 to share. 部分 part. Do you share my videos, please? 请分享我的视频。Please comment any sentence with Chinese character fen. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.